For truck and SUV owners, one of the most popular upgrades is installing larger wheels and tires. But what most people don't realize is that those oversized tires can drastically affect your vehicle's braking performance. Baer Brakes recognized this issue and conducted extensive testing that may change the way you think about your truck's stock braking system. When larger diameter tires are installed, the leverage between the tire and the braking system changes. This reduces overall braking effectiveness and requires more effort from the braking system to slow your vehicle. To solve this problem, Baer developed their Big Claw brake kit. It's designed to restore the braking performance that is lost when upgrading to larger wheels and tires. Baer partnered with an independent testing company to measure brake performance using manufacturer-style instrumented testing and full vehicle proving ground evaluations. But before diving into the results, let's take a look at what the Big Claw kit actually includes. The kits feature caliper relocation brackets that move the brake caliper farther from the center of the axle. This repositioning allows the installation of our larger Big Claw rotors, increasing the system's effective braking radius. Unlike traditional rotors with standard radial fins, Big Claw rotors use directional, internal vanes that are designed specifically for the direction that each wheel rotates, helping improve airflow and cooling. Looking at a real-world example, here's a Ram 1500 with the factory rotor installed. When the Big Claw kit is installed, the larger diameter rotor becomes possible because the caliper relocation bracket moves that caliper outward. This change increases what engineers call the caliper effective radius. It's essentially the leverage arm that the caliper uses to generate braking torque. Think of it as like adding an extension to your wrench. The longer the wrench, the more leverage you have to loosen a stubborn bolt, right? Well, the same principle applies to braking systems. When larger tires are installed, that leverage imbalance increases even further, thus reducing your braking power. The Big Claw kit restores that balance by increasing the brake's leverage through a larger rotor and repositioned caliper, helping recover the braking performance that was lost when installing oversized tires. Baer Brakes conducted controlled testing using the SAE J1247 simulated mountain descent test. It's a standard procedure developed by the Society of Automotive Engineers that simulates the stress of a long, downhill braking in a controlled environment. The test vehicle was a 2022 Ram 1500, fully loaded to gross vehicle weight and towing a 2,000-pound unbraked trailer. 3 configurations were tested. The first configuration, factory brakes with factory tire size. Configuration 2 was factory brakes with the larger tires. And configuration 3 was the Big Claw brake kit with the larger tires. The vehicle was equipped with a full data acquisition system that measured parameters such as vehicle speed, brake temperatures, pedal force, and engine data. Thermal couplers were placed in the brake pads and rotors to track temperatures, while sensors measured brake pedal force and pedal travel during the testing. Initial braking tests were conducted starting from 60 miles per hour and maintaining a deceleration rate of half a G to represent a moderate but controlled braking action. With the factory tires and factory brakes, the driver needed an average of 20 pounds of brake pedal force to maintain the target deceleration of half a G. After installing the larger tires, the brake pedal effort increased by nearly 5% due to the reduced braking leverage caused by the larger rolling radius of the taller tires. But when the Big Claw kit was installed with the larger tires, braking performance improved dramatically. Pedal force dropped by approximately 33%, restoring and even improving braking efficiency when compared to the stock setup. The simulated mountain descent test pushed the braking system even further. During 80 consecutive braking events within a 20-minute time frame, rotor temperatures climbed from around 300 degrees Fahrenheit to nearly 900 degrees Fahrenheit with the stock brakes and oversized tires installed. As temperatures increased, the driver experienced brake fade and had to apply more than double the pedal force in order to maintain the same half G deceleration. In the exact same test, but with the Baer Big Claw kit installed, rotor temperatures dropped nearly 200 degrees, significantly reducing brake fade and maintaining more consistent braking performance under heavy load. The result is a braking system that not only restores the loss of performance when installing oversized tires, but also improves heat management and braking consistency under even the most extreme conditions. For truck and SUV owners running larger wheels and tires, Baer's Big Claw brake kits offer a proven solution to regain braking confidence your vehicle is designed to have. Don't risk it. Learn how you can improve your truck or SUV's braking ability and safety by visiting us at baerbrakes.com.